So as I was saying, you right click and you go to Personalize, then you can go back to your desktop, your icon. So you see the background has changed. So this is how to change your desktop background page. We call it wallpaper. So this is how you change your wallpaper. Good. Now do this short exercise for me. Do this exercise for me. I illustrated this. Number 1, what is MS Windows? I've mentioned that MS is also, it means Microsoft Windows. Microsoft Windows. Now find out the name of the first MS Windows. You should be able to do that. I mentioned it in the tutorial. So if you watch the video again, you should be able to explain to me or tell me this particular answer. So go and find out. Then number 3, what is the name of the latest MS Windows? I mentioned that one also. So you should be able to find out. Watch the video again and subscribe, and you should be able to tell me this answer. Then number 4, describe what you see first when you turn on your computer. So when you turn on your computer or when you boot your computer, what you see first, you know that, you should be able to tell me. You can pause the video and come back for the answers. Good. Now you have done that. Submit your answers to me. I'll check for you and give you the answers. And I'll give it for you now. But I'll give you number 4. Describe what you see first when you turn on the computer. What you see first is the Windows. You see the desktop. When you turn on the Windows, you see the Windows icon. You see welcome screen. After the welcome screen, then you see your desktop. That's what you see. Good. So now let's continue. With the other indicators. So in this tutorial, we are going to continue what we were studying. Now, what is a desktop? And the desktop, when referring to an operating system or GUI, you've seen this particular word in the previous slide, which is saying what? A graphical user interface. A desktop is a system of organization of icons on a screen. So we organize icons on a screen. That's where we call desktop. Let's look for more definitions. Microsoft Windows desktop was first introduced with Microsoft Windows 95 and included with every version of Windows since then. So here is giving us the answers to the question I asked previously. I should find out the name of the first Windows created by Microsoft. The name was what? Windows 95. Good. After Windows 95 we have Windows 2000, 2003, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, we have Windows 10, and now Microsoft is preparing to give us Windows 12 in this new 2020. Now, final definition that I would like you to memorize and take that one for exams and any other place you go should be, it is a desktop is the visual user interface that appears after the computer has finished booting, which displays icons, wallpaper, and task bar. Good. So you should be able to know this particular one. It's practical than the rest. This one is very practical. It's just like it's telling you that when you turn on your computer, what you see is your desktop. So let's see the features. Features of desktop. We have the wallpaper, icons, and the task bar. When you turn on your computer, you're going to see these 3 things: the wallpaper, the icons, and then the task bar. When you see this, then you know you're in your desktop. Good. Let's see this some terminologies. We have the Microsoft window. We have the desktop. We have the icon. We have the folder. We have the file. Start button. Taskbar. Wallpaper. These are some of the terminologies we'll be meeting in course of study. So what's wallpaper? Wallpaper is the colorful background of the desktop, which can be color or a picture. What the previous tutorial, we demonstrated how the wallpaper works and how to change the wallpaper. And in this tutorial also, we are going to go over that again and learn how to do that and do it well. The wallpaper is the background of the desktop, meaning the other features are on the surface or in front of it. So you see that as you are seeing this here, this thing at my back here, these curtains will be what? The wallpaper, and me acting as the icon, I'm in front of it. So that's how the wallpaper works. The icons are lying on the wallpaper. Good. So it can be changed to color or any picture of your own choice. How do we personalize the desktop background? Step 1. These are the procedures that we are going to do. So please note them down, write them down, make your own notes. Using Windows 10, not using Windows 7. Maybe you are having Windows 7 in the house. Just follow the steps that I'm giving now, and I'll in a different tutorial show you how to do the same thing on Windows 7. Today we are just using Windows 10. Yes. Step 1. Say what? Right click on an empty space on the desktop. Step 2. Click on Personalize from the pop-up menu. Step 3. Choose the picture you want to use. Step 4. Close the settings window. That's all. So this is how you use. Let me demonstrate that before we continue. Let me demonstrate that. So we're saying that step 1, right click on an empty space. Step 2, click on Personalize. Step 3, wait for the step 3. Wait for the settings to load. This I'm doing a lot of things at the same time. Okay, so the background has come. So you just click on a picture that you have used before, or the default pictures. Just click on the picture, and then you see that here we go. The background has changed. Then step 4, close the setting window. So we have closed the setting window. That means we have changed the background picture. We have changed the background picture. Let's see what we have. Let's see. So after changing the background picture, we have what? Changing the wallpaper to your own picture on the desktop. So let's see the steps. Step 1. Okay, this one we're going through to change the wallpaper. Step 1 is saying we should right click on an empty space on the desktop. Click on Personalize, just like the previous this thing that we did. Click on Personalize. Click on Browse to choose your picture. Open the folder in which your pictures are. So I'm going to select a picture where I'm going to select the folder where my pictures are, and then upload. Then click on the picture. Click on Choose Picture. Close the settings window, and you are done. So let's try that. So go to our desktop. Right click, step 1. Step 2, Personalize.